it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a super cool bulb? I know it sounds like a weird question, but we have this amazing light and we needed a really cool vintage looking bulb. So I was so excited that we found this vintage style LED bulb from GE. I love it so much because it has all of the benefits of being an LED bulb, which we try to make all of the bulbs in our house, but it has this really beautiful vintage style amber glow. So for this super cool light, it was absolutely perfect. This is a 60-watt dimmable bulb and it has such a gorgeous amber glow. I can't say enough how beautiful that is. It looks really, really gorgeous at night. It's just that perfect kind of like candlelight feel, but being 60 watt, it is bright enough that it actually lights up the room without being too bright. I really, really love that vintage look and style. Of course, it's just a traditional light bulb, so it was super easy to put into our lamp. And I appreciate that being an LED GE light bulb, the estimated energy cost is 60 cents per year. So that is just a win-win. If you're looking for a really, really cool light bulb to add a little bit of vintage style or a little candlelight glow to your house, I highly recommend checking this one out by GE. We really love it. It looks so cool in here and it's LED efficient. So it's a win-win, but that's just my point of view.